Hello everyone, and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can set up events for Facebook Pixel on Shopify. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in my Shopify dashboard, and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the left side of your screen, as you can see guys, you're going to find all of these sections. You're going to find the home section, orders, products, customers. You're going to find content, analytics, and also marketing and discounts. Here under sales channels, you're going to find online store and also point of sale. And lastly here under apps, you're going to find the option to add applications. So go ahead and click on add apps, and then you're going to be right here. Once here, just go to the bottom. You're going to find get more recommendations in the Shopify App Store. Go ahead and click on Shopify App Store, and then you're going to be redirected to this page right here. This is basically the App Store's page. Once you're here, just go to the top, go ahead and click on the search bar. And after that, go ahead and search for events. Once you do that, right here, as you can see, guys, you're going to find all of these results for your search. So go ahead and choose the application that you want or that you like for event tickets. For example, I'm going to choose this one, event ticketing. And then once you click on the application, you're going to be here in the apps page. So once here, just click on install. And then once you click on install, you're going to be redirected to this tab right here. Go ahead and click on install. And after that, just wait for the page to load. Then you're going to be right here. As you can see guys in the application, you're going to find that the application is added here. You can pin it to your navigation if you want. And here in the top right, you're going to find the option to create a new event. So this is us guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.